Let's say you want to assign a permission set to a user when a user is created. Is this possible to do with a flow? The answer is absolutely. All right, so I'm going to show a couple examples here. This is a more complex one. Let's go to the first example. All right, so here we have a flow that assigns a permission set to a user with a specific profile. All right, so when a user is created, if they have the profile equal to training and the record is active, we're going to use the after save flow here because we're going to create a record. All right, so after that, we're going to get the permission set ID. So you want to use the permission set object. I'm checking for the name, the permission set name here. Now you got to use the API name here, or you're going to have to troubleshoot. I just want to get, for this example, I just want to get one record. So, and I don't need all the fields. I'm just going to get the ID and the name. And we got a decision here. We're going to check, make sure the ID exists. I know it exists. And then we're going to create a record. All right, and this object here is going to be permission set assignment instead of permission set. So the user ID, the triggering record, is going to be the assignee ID. And the ID from our get records here is going to be the permission set ID. So if we activate that, we create a user with the training profile, they will get the training complete permission set. But what if you have multiple profiles and you want those profiles to get different permission sets? That's going to be a little bit more complicated, but it's still doable. So in your get records here, we're going to get 4. So we're going to get 4 IDs here, and we want one of these 4. Make sure you're using API names here, or you're going to get some errors. All right, then you could actually add another loop here and check for how many are coming through so that you know you got 4. In this loop here, we're going to loop through the IDs. We should have 4, and then we're going to decide which profile it is, and then we're going to assign, just like before, we're going to assign the ID, the user ID to the assignee ID, and the permission set ID coming through the loop to the permission set ID in our resource here. That's this one. Record, permission set assignment, and then we're going to create our records using that resource. All right, so let's test it out here. Create a new user. All right, Mr. Power. And then let's go with marketing. It's active. And then you'll see right here, we've got our permission set. So we know that works. All right, this is actually my first Salesforce video. I'm a Salesforce administrator, and I'll be doing more demos, more instructional videos. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching.